Alrighty, so we're going to start with our practice problems. So it says Mr. Kent needs 74 plates for a picnic. He has 28 plates. He will buy the rest of the plates he needs. So it says show how you will find how many plates Mr. Kent needs to buy. Fill in the blanks to find 74 minus 28. We're going to add tens first. So they went ahead and they started it for us. All we're doing is filling in these blanks, okay? Don't get overwhelmed. We're going to use this right here to help us. So 28 plus what equals 68? What did they have to jump? How many did they have to jump to get from 28 to 68? They had to jump by 40. So I'm going to write 40 here. And then it says from 68, what did they have to add to 68 to get to 70? Well, we're at 68. What did they have to add to 68 to get to 70? They have to add 2. Now we're at 70. What did they have to add to 70 to get 74? They have to add 4. So what 3 numbers do we have to add? We have to have 40 plus 2 plus 4. We're adding these 3 numbers, and we're going to add them all together. When I add all my ones, I have 0 plus 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 equals 6. If I add all my tens, I don't have a 10 there, don't have a 10 here, but I have 4 tens here. So it makes a total of 46. So how many plates should Mr. Kent buy? He should buy 46. All right, now we're on to this one. It says, show how you can add ones first to find 54 minus 17. Fill in the boxes on the number line. So we're filling these in. So they did a step for us. They drew our number line. We start with 17, and they're trying to make a 10. So they realized 20 was closest to 17. So how many jumps does it take to get to 20? 17, 18, 19, 20. It takes 3 jumps. For this one, our next one, they tell us if we start at 20 and we add 3 tens, so 30, what number should we get out? Well, we know we're jumping by tens. How many times? 3 times. So we're at 20. We're going to jump by tens 3 times. So 20, 30, 40, 50. So we know we're going to land at 50. And now we're at 50. How many jumps from 50 does it take to get to 54? It takes 4 jumps. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. So how many pencils does Miss Jones have left? Well, like always, we're going to add our jumps all together. So we have 30 plus 3 plus 4. We're adding all those numbers together. If I add all my ones together, I have 3 plus 4 equals 7. And now I add my tens and I have a 3. So how many pencils does she have left? She has 37 left. Number 5. How many oak trees are there? Add up to 65 minus 38. Show your work. Okay, so our first step is we need to switch this problem around to make an addition problem. So I'm going to start with my smaller number of 38 plus, we don't know yet, equals 65. So what I'm going to start with is I'm going to draw a line. My first number I'm starting with is what? It's 38. So I'm going to write 38. My closest 10 to 38 is 40. So let's say I'm going to jump to 40. What do I need to, how many times do I have to jump to get to 40? Well, I have 38, 39, 40. I have to jump 2 times. Now my goal is, what's the closest number I can get to in a 10 that will be closest to 65? So I'm at 40.
Miss Ruby, I'm done.
I'm at 40. All right, so how many groups of 10 can I add until I can get as close to 65 as possible? I'm at 40 right now, so 40, 50, 60, 70. Oh no, I can't do 70. I can't do 3 because that would mean it'd be over 65. So what's the closest I can get to without going over? I'm at 40, 50, 60. I jumped by 10s 2 times. So I can get all the way up to 60 by jumping 20 times. Remember, these are 10s. We're counting by 10s. We had 40, 50, 60. 2 10s equal 20. And now I'm at 60 and I need to end with 65. So how many jumps does it take to get to 65? Well, it takes 5 jumps. So now, my very last step is I need to add all of these together. So I have 20 plus 2 plus 5. All right, now you're going to add 20 plus 2 plus 5. So if I add all my 1s together, I get 7. If I add all my 10s together, I get 2. So my final answer is 27. And it says to solve problem 5, did you add 10s or 1s first? So did we add a group of 10 first or did we add 1s first? I did 1. So this one will be based on how you guys solve this. If you're following along with me, I added 1s first. So I added 1s first. And then why did I do this? This is the strategy I chose. You're all finished.